Today we're reading No Canada, page 66, Chapter 7, Our Justice System. The Canadian justice system is founded on the belief that everyone is innocent until they are proven guilty. That's presumption of innocence. Everyone is guaranteed due process under the law. This means that anyone who is charged with a crime can go to court and have a judge or a jury decide whether or not they are guilty based on evidence. The government must respect the legal rights of every person. In front of a courthouse, there is often a statue of a blindfolded lady holding a set of scales. This is Lady Justice, and the blindfold shows that the law is blind to everything but the facts. Innocence or guilt is weighed by the facts, not by how important you are or how rich you are. Canada has a set of written laws that were made by elected representatives in the past. New laws are also being written. The law applies to everyone, including judges, the Queen, politicians, and the police, as well as to people who are not citizens. Our laws are meant to keep peace and order and to give people a peaceful way to settle arguments and other disputes. Our laws express Canadian values and beliefs. The courts are there to settle disputes. There are federal courts and provincial courts. The Supreme Court of Canada is the highest court. The Supreme Court consists of 9 judges that are appointed by the Governor General. Below the Supreme Court are federal courts and provincial courts. The federal courts deal with issues or matters that have to do with the federal government. Other issues or matters are dealt with by the provincial courts. There are trial courts, sometimes called the Court of Queen's Bench, for criminal and civil matters, family courts, traffic courts, and small claims courts. There are also appeal courts where people can go if they don't like what the first court decided. The police are there to help people, to enforce the law, and to keep people safe. They also have to obey the law. Ontario and Quebec have provincial police forces, but in the rest of Canada, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police is the provincial police, and sometimes the municipal police. The RCMP also enforces federal laws. Larger municipalities, towns, and cities may have their own police forces. You can question the police about what they are doing if you think you need to. You have the right to make a complaint if you think the police have abused their power. If you have a legal problem, you are allowed to have a lawyer. If you don't know a lawyer or can't afford to pay for one, legal aid services can help you for free or for a small cost.